Good afternoon, everyone. I am Justin Makabikil, and now I am going to discuss the multiplication of decimal. So, please read the learning outcome.
At the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to
Multiply
multiply decimal and mix decimal with factors up to two
decimal
decimal
place.
places.
Apply
Multiply
mental
mentally
decimal up to two decimals place by 1, 0.00.10 and 100. And solve routine and non-routine problem involving multiplication of decimal, including money, using appropriate problem solving strategy and tools.
Let's see. To multiply decimals, multiplying the numbers as you usually would in ordinary multiplication. Place the decimal point in the product so that its number of decimal places corresponds with the number of decimal places in the factors. So, for example, Danilo is twice as heavy as Cloud. If Cloud weighs 9.75 kilograms, then what is the weight of Danilo? So, the first thing to do is to analyze the problem. So, the word twice in the problem is used to signify 3 times or multiplication by 3. So, if Clouds weigh 9.75 kilogram, then Danilo is 9.75 times 3. So the first step to solve this problem is to arrange the factors. 9.75 times 3. 3 times 5.
15.
7 times 3.
21, 22. 20, 22.
Dito.
3 times 9.
18 plus 9, 16, 26, 27, 28. 28.
28
Oh.
plus
Tama nga, 28 na.
29.
28 naman dito.
29.
29 daw. Taka-taka
2.
rito ka.
The
18 plus 9.
first step now is, the second step now is to solve the problem, and then the third step is to bring down the decimal, which is you should count all the
Side,
decimal
left side.
number of digits, which is to the right side of the decimal point. So as you can
Left,
see
right.
here, how many
Naman na
number of digits to the right side of the decimal point?
Alright.
So there are
3 at
two. There are two. How about the 3? Do you see any decimal point? No.
no.
4. So now there are two decimal number of digits to the right side of the decimal point. So let's count 2. 1, 2. So the answer is 59.25. That gets class?
Yes.
So let's try to solve another problem.
O teacher be.
0.238 times 0.35. 8 times 3. 8 times 3.
Ha?
5 siguro, una.
5 siguro.
5 times 8.
14.
40.
19.
40. 5 times 3. 15 plus 1.
19.
11.
5 times 2. 10. 11.
Plus 1, 11.
3 times 8.
Uy, 5 sa times ko 0.
5 times 0.
0 plus 1. 3 times 8.
16 plus
24.
24.
3 times 3.
9,
Plus
11,
11.
3 times 2.
7.
7. 6 plus 1, 7.
3 times 0.
3. 0.
0.
Sorry, ma'am.
0, 0, 0. Without its at least.
Bring down.
Bring down to 0.
13.
Plus 4.
13.
Sharp.
3. 8. Bring down 0, 0.
So, that's sharp. Sa 0.238, how many numbers?
3.
3.
3. How about
Oh.
so, ilan na? 5. So, let's count.
5.
Count na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The answer is 0.08330.
Char.
So, I need 2 volunteers to solve this.
Oh, teacher, wait.
Number 2 po.
Number 1.
Dapat may solve lang.
Solo, manta na.
Number 2 na tama. May lang 3.
No, tama. Kaya mag-get na ninyo. Sabotable naman, good. One.
Ano ba yung 8 times
64. Mali mo ka, boy?
8? 64. 68. Lagi, di ka mo po.
Mali ka, boy.
Last ko na to.
Sasa na ka? 4.
Dire?
Hindi ba din mo right?
4 times 5, pila? 20. 4 times 5 na po, 22. Tama, 4 times 8 na. 34. 1 na. 1. Bring down 4. 10, 16. 12. 12.
Let's count. Last one.
2. 1, 2. So the answer is 1,265.40 or 0.40. Uy, da.
Mali nga, guys. Mali. No point.
Very good.
Let's get.
What did you already know how to solve multiplication of decimals?
Yo, may pagkani application. Buwan nga ka. Ayun na, napila.